Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing something different. Today I'll be showing some home decor items which I love to collect during my travels. I have divided the video into two parts and would be showing Dokra and terracotta home decor items. So let's start the video. The first few items are Dokra. Dokra is a traditional handcraft method which uses a mix of alloys to create beautiful figurines. Primarily, Dokra is an origin of West Bengal and is a dying art. The craftsmen come from a place called Bikna in Bankura district. I had gone to Bikna to buy these items. The location is given in the top left of the video. The first item is this goddess Durga statue. You can see the craftsmanship. This is a heavy statue about 1 kilo and costed me about rupees 1800. You can probably find a similar statue on Amazon or other handicraft store, but they would cost approx 3500 to 4000 rupees. Next we have another figurine with 5 artists. The craftsmanship is really commendable, as you can see from the back as well. This one costed me about 1500 rupees and should retail online between 3000 to 3500 rupees. This is a small trading palki and is a bit smaller than the other two. It costed me rupees 1000 and should retail online between 2500 to 3000 rupees. Next are these two horses which come in a pair, although you can buy for a single piece as well. This costed me 800 per piece. Next item is this key hanger in the shape of an owl. We got this for 500 rupees. These small figurines look nice in tabletops and costed me 350 rupees each. Next is this small deer with beautiful work done all around. I bought this for approx 300 rupees. That's pretty much was my Dokra collection. Please note that long-term exposure might fade the colors, so be sure to keep this encased in a glass shelf. Terracotta items are commonly used for home decor. I bought this from my hometown Bishnupur. You can find this in Amazon, Flipkart and many souvenir shops as well, but the prices might be a bit higher. First product is the candle holder, which can be used for display or balcony decor. The candle is to be placed at the bottom and casts beautiful shadows when lit. Next product are these terracotta horses. This comes in pairs. Next is a set of small musical instruments. Lastly, two small statues of Radha Krishna and Hanuman. Next item are these small Buddha heads. Next is a pen stand holder in the form of Goddess Saraswati. The last item of this section are these flower vases. These are handcrafted paintings that you see here and done quite well. This look just as good without flowers, but it is up to you how best you think you can use this. That is from today's video. I hope this video would have helped you think of some decor items for your house. I do pick up things like this over my travels to act as memories, and for me these are priceless. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment box. I will be doing a part 2 of home decor with more unique items. Till then, bye and see you in my next video. Thank you.